148 Camden Trce is the most amazing neighborhood you've ever seen. First of all, it's gated. It's perfect. And also, you've got these wonderful, brand new floor plans. Look at this. Plantation shutters throughout. Look at the gas range. Hold on. Look at this. You have a walk-in secret pantry back here. You'd never know it was here. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 on the main level, 3 on the main level, 3 on the main level, and 1 upstairs and 3 full baths plus a half bath. This community is amazing. You've got a flat backyard. You've got a covered porch. Everything is ready to go, and you need to buy it. I bet you've never seen this before. 148 Camden Trce. You have the double sliding doors. Great for entertaining in this beautiful, gorgeous home. It is so fabulous. And it's got great storage. It's great flow. It's the perfect house you've been looking for. And guess what you really will like about it? It's almost practically brand new. You know what that means. And look at this covered porch. It's big, this flat yard. It's so nice. It is so peaceful here. It's so serene. It's in the inner sanctum of the neighborhood, which I love. And it's a great house. All brick. Give me a call. Call JoJo Jones for this fantastic home. It's amazing. Call me. It's 478-731-1302. You want me to say it again? 478-731-1302. You got it? Give me a call. Great house.